Trading basics. Risk first, profit later. Stop chasing profits. If you want to survive in trading, you need one rule: risk first, profit later. This mindset alone separates beginners from professionals. Problem: most beginners trade backwards. They think about how much they can make, not how much they can lose. That's exactly why their accounts collapse. Let's flip your mindset and your results in the next 2 minutes. Lesson 1. Your first job: protect your capital. Trading is not about winning every trade. It's about surviving long enough to learn. Pros don't focus on big profits. They focus on small, controlled losses. Action step: risk 1 to 2% max per trade. If a loss feels painful, your size is too big. Small losses keep you in the game. Lesson 2. You need a stop loss before you enter. This is the beginner killer: entering a trade without a stop loss. Without a stop, one bad trade can wipe out a week, a month, or your entire account. Action step: set your stop loss at a logical level, below support, above resistance. Never move it farther away. No stop loss, no trade. Lesson 3. Reward means nothing without risk. A good trade isn't about profit. A good trade is one with a controlled risk and a clear reward. Pros only take trades with at least a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 risk-to-reward ratio. Action step: if you risk $1, aim to make $2 to $3. If the setup doesn't give that reward, skip it. Skipping bad trades is how you protect your account. Lesson 4. The Beginner Pro Formula. Here's the mindset shift that changes everything. Beginner: how much can I make? Pro: how much can I lose, and is it worth it? Trade like the second person. You'll last longer, stay calmer, and make smarter decisions. Apply this today. Before your next trade, ask 3 questions. 1. What's my stop loss? 2. What's my risk per trade? 3. Does my reward justify the risk? If any answer is unclear, don't enter. This is how real traders stay profitable. Risk first, profit later. It's the foundation of every successful trader. Subscribe to Online Trading Hub for simple, professional lessons that keep beginners safe and make you stronger long-term.